Welcome to the Course Selection Guide for students at Kings Meadows High School. This is a guide for both students and parents, outlining the requirements of the course selection process.
At Kings Meadows, we offer a wide array of subjects and are committed to preparing our students for 21st century learning. Part of the challenge is to plan and select courses that are of personal interest, academically rigorous, and that align with your future pathway.
It is important that you do not base your course selection decision on what your friends are doing. Choose for you and your outcomes. Kings Meadows High School offers a broad range of subjects. You should actively seek advice from your parents, guardians, teachers, or mentors about what might suit you.
Take your time in reading the course selection handbook and watching the instructional video provided for you in Canvas. If you have any questions, please refer back to the front section of the course selection booklet. Speak to your class teacher or contact the school. And remember, pursue your interests, broaden your experiences, and take on challenges with us here at Kings Meadows High School.
As a grade 7 student, we undertake a variety of pre-selected half-year courses to try all there is to offer at Kings Meadows High School.
We also study 4 enrichment courses, each lasting for a term. A student moving into grade 7 must choose 8 enrichment courses in order of preference, as listed in the course selection booklet.
If you are unable to be placed in your top subject choices due to problem with class size, teacher availability, or a subject not running, your lower preferences will be used to allocate your subjects, so please choose carefully.